Hey guys, Terry Young here with Terry Young Outdoors. Today I'm going to do a little comparison between the MSR Pocket Rocket 2 versus the MSR Pocket Rocket Deluxe. So let's take a look at both of them. This is the MSR Pocket Rocket 2, and I will turn the gas on this one and give it a light. Alright, and the MSR Pocket Rocket Deluxe. And that's turned on about the same amount of gas also. So as you can tell, the Pocket Rocket Deluxe is a lot quieter than the Pocket Rocket 2. They're both great stoves, but for $20, $25 more, you can give me the Deluxe any day.